Financial experts share a belief that the real mainstream impact that the crypto industry can make in finance is to somehow bridge the gap between decentralized and traditional finance. The founders of AllianceBlock thought the same too, and they set out to create a platform that can do just that. This video will explore AllianceBlock, how it works, and why it might be vital for you to invest in this token. AllianceBlock is a blockchain protocol that seeks to operate as a decentralized capital market. Its technology will make data and capital transfer more efficient in open and closed regulated markets. AllianceBlock is the startup that created the Prometheus protocol, the primary mechanism on which its traditional finance and DeFi operations are based. Its launch was facilitated by contributions from three major startup accelerators, Level 39, Station F, and the Zurich Kickstart Innovation Program. It was seen as the program enabling the average man to easily convert any crypto asset into something he can spend or store. All in all, its capabilities cannot be hindered because it's a decentralized platform, so it can't be censored while trying to be more open or transparent. It'll bring investors, issuers, experts, traders, and advisors together to make quality decisions on the network. AllianceBlock looks to incentivize the interactions within the network and how much value it can come to have with increasing utility. These member categories will participate by trading data securely in a network secured by a set of governance protocols that will be a product of the collaborative decision-making process of the entire community. AllianceBlock distinguishes itself from other projects due to its ability to make it possible for any legitimate user on the platform to send, issue, and become legal owners of any kind of digital assets. It creates a way in which human and machine intelligence can be used to make the best decisions and properly govern the network. AllianceBlock will be the first blockchain-based project to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve how we collect data from different sources to verify and rank on the blockchain. The software enables end-to-end flow to aid the onboarding of investors. This way, they can validate and approve a verified profile for a user, either an individual or a business, on the platform. To verify other legal entities, you must pass through onboarding procedures such as KYC or AML as an individual user or the necessary due diligence. You can either be an investor or an issuer upon joining the platform. An investor profile is created, and the resulting details will be used to determine what projects are worth investing in. A profile is considered valid when an investor has an excellent reputation score. AllianceBlock uses this metric to determine the projects that are a good fit for each user in the network. Any investor can improve their reputation by providing quality answers to questions on the platform. Staking and promoting other projects on the network also helps improve the investor's reputation score. Other things that can help include giving reviews and suggestions to benefit the AllianceBlock community. On the other hand, an issuer also passes through onboarding and reputation scoring. AllianceBlock supports the issuer's need to build books, make subscription plans, and regulate pricing on the respective projects they want to issue. An issuer is selected based on the type of issue they're promoting and the acceptance by existing community members. As soon as the issuance offer enters the elementary market, AllianceBlock acts by executing the project, validating ownership, performs the necessary clearance, organizes settlement protocols, and finalizes payment. This is the full extent of the ecosystem's ability to efficiently support all the necessary activities and features to sustain a digital capital market. It's made possible by the three distinct layers that make up the network's data flow structure. AllianceBlock's multi-layered structure makes it accountable, traceable, and easily regulated to ensure that it's safe and secure. Some of the key benefits that will result from this include 1. Reducing the financial burden on companies involved in cross-border activity. Companies have had to deal with excessive regulations, and AllianceBlock technology can fine-tune the entire process, making it much more straightforward. Part of the struggle is often to raise cross-border capital and invest to facilitate cross-border transactions. They'll still have to worry about regulatory actions by several government agencies. The system isn't automated, and AllianceBlock's AI integration is a convenient solution. Number 2. overcoming difficulties with regulators. Many projects, mainly digital asset issuers, often have to deal with the Securities and Exchange Commission for the legitimacy of their digital products. AllianceBlock doesn't help anyone evade regulation, and instead it helps to ensure that each project is built from the ground up and aligned with the rules set by the necessary vetting authorities. This solution saves time and resources wasted on rather than frustrating processes and shortens the process of regulatory validations, thereby presenting a more secure and legitimate project front to primary stakeholders. Number 3. AllianceBlock supports the novel open finance space, AllianceBlock's core. APIs will set the tone for a more open banking space based on the tenets of decentralization. It'll unlock the development and application of new solutions to many problems in the centralized financial area. Using ALBT, the AllianceBlock token, in centralized solutions will further add value to the token holder. And number 4, improving fund distribution. Investment managers need to help distributing funds due to heavy regulations, technological trends, and regional politics. AllianceBlock will reduce the resource burden on managers while enhancing the process of fund distribution. The ecosystem of AllianceBlock is known as the Prometheus Network. At the center of the network's functionality is the ALBT token. The token was designed to generate an inflow of actual value into the ecosystem. When this value is traded consistently, it will increase the ALBT token's value. The token has a total supply of about 1 billion ALBT, and it traded initially at the seed stage and private sale at 0.01 and 0.0125 respectively in 2018. ALBT is used in multiple incentive forms, such as providing token rewards and ratings and granting premium access to some of the AllianceBlock's exclusive features. The structure of the Prometheus Network ecosystem also ensures enough internal liquidity to support the token's value. Users can withdraw their ALBT tokens from the network to monetize their profits or swap them for other tokens. The ecosystem sustains itself with an internal exchange system regulated by the connected chain of traders supplying the eternal liquidity. The ALBT token forms a reasonable basis for exchanging goods and services between users on the platform for monetization purposes or paying for services. It's also the currency by which network participants are rewarded for helping to maintain the network. ALBT token is also the reserve currency of the AllianceBlock ecosystem's treasury pool. Ultimately, the central bank controls the demand and supply of the ecosystem, ensuring that it is in a healthy, continuous stream. For issuers and investors, ALBT tokens must pay network fees for every transaction they perform. The fees are low, but must be paid in ALBT. Other contributors, such as network participants, can exchange their data sets for ALBT tokens as a reward. It's also valuable in ensuring trust in transactions carried out between multiple network participants. Network participants also need ALBT to be able to vote. They can delegate their tokens to institutional nodes that power the network, and as such, they have increased voting power. This is also equivalent to staking. It doesn't matter if they set up a service node, a data node, or an institutional node that will participate in the staking protocol. Each node earns rewards for locking up ALBT tokens. Each stakeholder will generate a 7 to 9% ROI per annum. The project has increased in prominence over time, using the ALBT token to channel trillions of dollars from the traditional finance system into decentralized finance. They have partnered with projects such as Holochain, Quaint, and Orion. Integrations and partnerships such as these ultimately require substantial holdings of ALBT tokens. While users of these platforms have part of their fees paid in ALBT, thus generating higher demand for the token. The essential products and solutions of the AllianceBlock protocol include the following. 1. DeFi terminal, where you can participate in liquidity mining and staking using ALBT tokens. 2. Funders app is a decentralized crowdsourcing platform that enables capital seekers and provides to come together to support fledgling ideas and products for implementation as viable projects. It runs startup as a service to support new businesses. 3. AllianceBlock DEX is a P2P marketplace where crypto traders can interact and exchange assets directly. 4. AllianceBridge is an interoperable bridge connecting every project in the DeFi space to enhance communication and easy conversion of one token to another. It supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitron, Optimism, Energy Web Chain. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you learned something. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.